gonna be. What up, Jerm? This ain't gonna be.
I'll help you be popular.
It's bright lights.
I'll help you be popular. I'll help you be.
I'm trying to be a star, but right now I'm stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm little, but I'm balling, no double dribble. Some people say I'm real, some people tell me I'm ill. Some people even say, why the hell the kid ain't got a deal? I don't know, but I'm gon' blow like a landmine. Dudes gonna hate, but women finna say he damn fine. Not now, but in time I'ma shine like the bad sign and chill on the beach on recline. But for now, I just spit up all these mad rhymes. I'm finna be pop, ULAR. Be chauffeured in big ass cars and smoke on real Cuban cigars. Go to a casino, blow a grand on a hand of cards, or go to the nicest club and just buy out the whole bar. I'll exchange my Pontiac for a car with a nice throttle and pop bottles with all of America's top models. Be on the cover of Time and be called the man of the year. Now everybody raise your glass, that time is finally here. Cheers.
You're gonna be popular. You're gonna be popular. You're gonna be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll help you 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 be popular.
I'm gonna make $1 million, I hoping and make a couple more. People gonna stop and just stare when I'm walking through the door. Young and rich, yes I will. I'll pay all my mama's bills. Not now, but in time, promise I'm getting better still. I'm 18 with the dream to be on that big screen. They say I'm so nice, but my style come off so mean. Cause I'm a G, no I'm not, who am I kidding? I ain't flyer than a pigeon, I'm softer than little kittens. And I won't tell you I'm the nicest when I'm spitting, but I'm cooking up the heat, so stay the hell out of my kitchen, or you'll probably get burnt, get fried, or get steamed. My flow is extra dirty, I ain't never been clean. I ain't helping self-esteem, man, I'm killing all these whack cats. Chasing dreams, just hoping I'm on the right track. I'm finna blow, so I think you should take a step back. Coolest kid here, like you hearing Mickey Fax rap.
You're gonna be popular. You're gonna be popular. You're gonna be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll help you 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 be popular.
Yeah. It's the drive-in. And we good. And we good. And we good. Pop a bottle for the girl with no boyfriend. Drink it all, we don't care. We just order more and light a blunt for the team. Cause we all here. Take a hit and make a hit. Nigga, this is our year. In the game like a playbook. Zoning out. No idea where we're going. One day we will figure out. Everything was meant to be. Don't trip, it's only bitter now. Life is just a bitch, but don't you worry, I will sit her down. Tell her bring the ketchup. These weenies need a dressing. I ain't worried about your hustle, boy. Why you keep on pressing? Let me live, cause I will die if I don't sit and drink my dreams. A little bit, a little more, a little this. She the reason you just up here at the show, right? I bring your girl out and she can stay the whole night. If this the good life, I made it for a better one. You're shooting for the stars, boy. You don't need a better kind. Cause tonight, homie, we don't give a shit, man. That's your girlfriend, can I be your girl's friend? Go, drink it all and then some. We gon' burn it all, don't worry about your income. Cause tonight, homie, we don't give a shit, man. That's your girlfriend, can I be your girl's friend? Go, drink it all and then some. We gon' burn it all, don't worry about your income. Over here, we only really party with the baddest. And with you is when she turns into an actress. Showing up, you know what? We gon' do this damn thing. Roll it up, smoke it up, it's pulling like a hamstring. Crew neck, snap back, mixing on my wrist, man. I am not a hipster, sister, I just do some hip things. Every night is right as Christ. Boy, I pray to God and I did not sell my soul. I just gave him all we got. See this Jaeger got her ditty. Better tell her about my city. It's that ditty shit. We smoke a puff a cloud of something biggie. I'm 20 years young, living reckless with my friends. And if you forgot your wallet, just tell Ralph he got the spends. Waiting for that night, yeah, I think about it all. It's a red carpet moment when these lights begin to call. Me and my girl chilling, smiling with a pose. We just looking at
Good job, team. Get ready for the next round.
Record it.